Every year, over 1.3 million people lose their lives over road accidents. That's over a million stories cut short. Dreams, futures, families gone in seconds. Among all crash types, head-on collisions are the deadliest, most of which happen on blind turns. Around 4 lakh people die on these blind turns and these curved stretches, where drivers can hardly see what's coming next. Narrow roads, sharp turns, and no reaction time is what makes these blind turns some of the most dangerous places on our roads.
That's what led to the innovation of the blind turn blinker, a smart, sustainable device that prevents accidents before they happen through a smart warning system.
It's installed on the outer periphery of a blind turn and uses dual radar sensors to detect vehicles approaching from both the sides. The moment it senses the movement, it calculates the distance using the radar data and triggers a blinker that flashes faster as the vehicles move closer.
This part of the blind turn blinker contains fully charged batteries. The batteries are recharged by this solar panel, which helps the blind turn blinker work 24/7.
The blind turn blinker is installed on the outer periphery of a blind turn. Coming to the components, this is the red light blinker, this is the solar panel.
Now let's talk about the radars. These are of the automotive grades which are found in modern day vehicles. 2 radars are put in the blind turn blinker. One is put over here while the other one is put on the opposite side. It also contains a communication sensor and a processor. Now we'll come on to the working. When the radars sense the cars approaching from 2 opposite directions, it sends the information to the processor, which calculates the relative distance between the cars. When the distance decreases, the frequency of the blinking increases. This is how the blind turn blinker works.
What makes it truly reliable is that it's solar powered, self-sustained and completely independent. No external power source, no internet and absolutely no maintenance. Just a smart, silent guardian on the road.
Traditional solutions like mirrors or reflective boards only work when the driver is lucky enough to see them in time. Mirrors fog up, reflectors fade, and static lights don't adapt to speed or distance. Even high-end warning systems depend on costly infrastructure. But the blind turn blinker changes that. It's affordable, scalable, and smart, making it viable for urban and rural development. A technology built for the everyday roads where lives are lost the most.
With the global road safety tech market projected to reach $7.5 billion by 2030, innovations like these could redefine how we protect people on the move. Because safety shouldn't be a privilege, it should be a promise. This innovation would not only safeguard countless lives of the people of India, but would turn out to be a revolutionary, life-saving breakthrough for the people across the globe.